Thank you for that introduction, and welcome to this presentation, an overview of optical depth sensing technologies. We have an interesting topic to discuss and a lot of material to cover, but before we get started, a quick introduction about Ambarella. Ambarella is an AI vision silicon company based in Santa Clara, California. We're about 800 employees worldwide, and we have a history of delivering high performance, low power SoCs for video and AI applications that are used across a wide range of markets. Our focus is on designing silicon for embedded systems that require best-in-class image signal processing and performant AI at low power. Whether it's video encoding, AI, or sensor fusion, our goal at Ambarella is to bring intelligent vision at the edge to life. All right, let's get on to the presentation. Here's a quick peek at what we're going to look at today. We're going to start by introducing the topic, and we're going to focus on three specific technologies: stereo vision, time of flight, and structured light. At the end of it, we'll do a comparison of the technologies that we've discussed, and I'll finish this presentation off by showing a few real-life applications of each of these technologies.